Some of you are just evil. Some of you are worse than Hitler.
You don't know why you're going on.
What do you want to know?
You just sell pants.
I like that. God have mercy upon
I'm gonna what? What do you want to know?
You just sell pants.
I like that.
What do you want to know?
Dissolve. Dissolve.